Dene Nation chiefs, elders, and members packed the Chateau Nova in Yellowknife this week for a forum on public safety. They discussed the growing drug crisis in the Northwest Territories and the best ways to combat it.
So, for the 3 days that we gathered, we were looking for some kind of a sign for a hope. The people will feel hopeful that something will be done for young generations.
The Dene Nation declared a state of emergency in July 2024 because of a significant rise in drug-related deaths and incidents in their communities. According to territorial health officials, there were 31 opioid-related deaths in the Northwest Territories between 2016 and 2024. Several guest speakers were invited to speak at the forum. RCMP Superintendent Chris Romanchich discussed the creation of a top offender list to easier identify drug dealers. Dale Cox, former chief of police for Lakeshore Regional Police in Alberta, explained steps to introduce Indigenous policing, and brother and sister Dene lawyers Shoshana and Sasha Paul discussed banishment. By the third day, 13 resolutions on combating the drug crisis were unanimously approved. One of the hottest was a Dene Nation task force on drugs, alcohol, and crime prevention.
That the task force will work collaboratively with the RCMP, GNWT, Department of Justice, and other federal and territorial counterparts to advocate for solutions, policy changes that address the emerging needs of Dene communities. And
each First Nation will elect task force members, and the chiefs will figure out who pays for it.
Motion passed unanimously.
Another resolution was the creation of a Dene Policing program. Dene National Chief George McKenzie called it, quote, a crucial step.
The RCMP, they are not our people overall. Because they're not our people, they don't understand our culture, our philosophy, our beliefs, and how we do things. So if we get native policing, our own people, they will understand our society. And it stands to reason they will be more effective for enforcing the law for us.
Chief McKenzie had a message for younger Dene Nation members.
We didn't forget about the young people, but this task force will plan it so young people can be a part of this gathering. Imagine every region has about 5 young people in the audience. It's going to look powerful. But we got to find the money and plan it well.
Tate Juniper of the Sawtoo is one of those young people.
It's time for our young people to be seen and to be heard. It's time for our leadership to make room for them at the table. It's time for our leadership to stop talking about having them represented and start allowing them to be represented in these discussions.
The conference was live-streamed with over 40,000 views. They can be found on the Dene Nation's Facebook page at facebook.com/Dene Nation. Bruce De La Cruz, APTN National News, Yellowknife.